Video 6. Tier 4 Student, Maintenance and Fees and Points Claimed. The fees for your course of study will be stated on your CAS letter. If you have already paid some of your tuition fees to the university, including any deposit you have paid, this must be shown on your CAS. If you have paid money to the university already, select Yes, Paid to UK Education Provider and enter the amount. Any amount paid must be shown on your CAS. Therefore, the document provided to prove the payment is the CAS. The next question asks, are you applying under the Doctorate Extension Scheme? You're not permitted to apply for this visa from outside the UK, and therefore the answer to this question should always be no. As the university is based in Scotland, your primary site of study will be outside London. The amount of funding you must have available to cover your maintenance is £1,015 per month. If you are receiving a sponsorship that provides more than this, please detail the amount you will receive. Have any of your accommodation fees been paid to your sponsor? You are not normally required to state yes to this question. If you do not have sufficient money available to cover the entire maintenance requirement, and you need to rely on money you have paid in advance for your university accommodation, please contact us to find out what additional evidence you will need to provide. For the purpose of this video, we will select No. A financial sponsor that meets the UKVI definition is Her Majesty's Government, your home government, the British Council, or any international organisation, international company, university, or UK independent school. If you are self-financing, or if your parents or guardian are financing you, the answer to this will be no. If you are receiving money from Heriot-Watt University, or another sponsor that meets this definition, then you can select yes. If you select yes, you will be asked to give additional information about the sponsor and the amount of money you are receiving. For the purpose of this video, we will select no. If you have remaining course fees or maintenance fees that have not already been paid and are not fully covered by an official financial sponsor, select yes and write down how much you still need to provide in the boxes below. In the course fees box, you should write the full fees as stated on your CAS, minus any amount that is shown on your CAS as having already been paid. Remember, you will need £1,015 per month for your maintenance, up to a maximum of £9,135. You're reminded that any money you still have to provide evidence of must be shown in your bank account for at least 28 days. Detailed guidance on the criteria for financial documents can be found on our website. If you will be providing your own bank statement to show that you have sufficient funds available, select yes to confirm the money is in your own name. If you will be using your parent or legal guardian's bank statement, select no, and remember there are additional documents that you will need to submit. Please be aware that company bank statements or bank statements from other family members will not be accepted. Write in the box below to say which documents you will be providing as evidence of funds. If you're using a parent or guardian's bank statement, you will need to list the bank statement as well as which document you will be providing to prove your relationship, for example, your original birth certificate. If you have a valid CAS and have provided all the original documents listed, then you will be claiming 30 points. If you have sufficient funds to cover the remaining course fees and maintenance, you will be claiming 10 points. The total points claimed is therefore 40. When you have finished this section, press Save and then press Next Section. You can now move on to the next video clip.